Hey Thompson Gang, this your girl Chelsea, and today we'll be showing you how we made our homemade vegan ranch. The full recipe will be in the description below. The ingredients we'll be using will be 2 cups of the vegan mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of dill weed, 1/4 cup of sea moss, 1 teaspoon of garlic mince, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2/4 teaspoons of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So you will get all the ingredients and you will blend it except for the dill weed. And you will blend it until it's smooth. So you will add the vegan mayonnaise, and then I went ahead and added the sea moss and the spices with the coconut milk, the apple cider vinegar, and the minced garlic. And then now we will blend it. And I want to talk more about sea moss. It's a type of algae and it has 92 of the 102 minerals you need in your body. So I make it a habit to add sea moss whenever I can in our dishes. You can order your sea moss at dealsamillion.com. I will put a link in the description as well. So go ahead and order it. So now that it's done blending, we will add the dill weed. And we will blend that up until it's smooth and well mixed. And we will taste it.
Alright, we're going to try the ranch. Go ahead.
Can I try it?
Yeah, of course.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
Okay, good. Looks like regular ranch.
No, that's good. Those. Go get you one. I'm gonna get you some.
I'll flip the other way.
Okay.
I'm getting some crap. One for their money now.
Hey, y'all try this at home because this recipe here, banging. It's good ranch. Good. Right. I don't know if we hungry or what, but this is good. Guys, how is the ranch with your dinner?
Good.
Y'all rate it from 1 to 5. What would it be? Koya?
5. It'll be a 5.
It'll be a 5, Robbie? 5 dudes?
Like ranch from the store or like regular
5.
ranch.
5, Missy?
Absolutely.
What about you, Koya? You the ranch queen. You give it a 5? No? What you give it? 6?
We'll take that.
All right, babe. How you like it with the ranch? With your food?
5.
1 through 5.
5.
I give it a 5 as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.